Here's how to create a group text on your iPhone. First, open the Messages app. In the top right corner, tap the Compose icon. It looks like a pencil and paper to start a new message. Now, to create a group chat, start adding people by typing their names or phone numbers. For example, I'll add Aaron, Tyler, BJ, and Dad. Once you've selected everyone you want in the group, you can type your message at the bottom and send it. After sending the message, you can customize the group by tapping on the names at the top of the screen. From here, you'll see an option to change name and photo. You can name the group whatever you'd like. For example, family. You can also choose a custom photo, emoji, or an image from your gallery to represent the group. Once you save the changes, the new name and image will appear at the top of the conversation. You'll also see the list of participants. From this menu, you can adjust settings like muting notifications, hide alerts, sharing your location, or even leaving the conversation if needed. Group texts are great for keeping in touch with family, classmates, or coworkers. You can easily create and customize them to fit your needs. Hope this helps. If it did, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks, everyone.